Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the F7 Pro drone, a model that positions itself as a great option, especially for those new to the world of aerial photography and videography. This drone comes in a sleek dark gray finish and is designed with adult users in mind, offering a blend of user-friendly features and capable performance. One of the standout aspects is its camera system. Equipped with an adjustable camera, this drone aims to capture stunning aerial perspectives. While it records video at 1080p resolution, it boasts a 12-megapixel effective still resolution, allowing for detailed photos from above. The ability to adjust the camera angle mid-flight is a significant plus, giving pilots more control over their shots and helping them frame that perfect view from the sky. Flight time is another crucial factor for any drone, and the F7 Pro doesn't disappoint here, offering a maximum flight time of approximately 29 minutes. This generous duration means more time spent in the air capturing footage or exploring your surroundings without constantly worrying about the battery level. It provides ample opportunity to experiment with different shots and modes. Speaking of modes, the F7 Pro is packed with intelligent flight features that make flying and capturing content much easier and more dynamic. It includes Intelligent Follow mode, which can track a designated subject and surround flight, allowing the drone to orbit a point of interest for cinematic shots. Gesture control adds a layer of intuitive interaction. Imagine telling the drone to take a photo or start recording with just a simple hand gesture. The Image Recognition Follow Me mode is particularly impressive, enabling the drone to automatically track and follow a person based on visual recognition. Gesture shooting further enhances this hands-free control over your aerial photography. Safety and convenience are also well addressed. Precise GPS positioning ensures stable flight and accurate hovering, which is essential for both beginners and experienced pilots trying to get steady shots. Should you lose sight of the drone or the battery run low, features like one-key return and automatic course reversal bring the drone safely back to its takeoff point with minimal effort from the pilot. This provides a significant level of confidence when flying, especially in new environments. Overall, the F7 Pro drone appears to be a feature-rich package, particularly appealing to beginners looking for a drone with a good camera, decent flight time, and smart flight modes that simplify the flying and shooting process. Its app-controlled nature makes it easy to operate from your smartphone, putting all these capabilities right at your fingertips. It seems like a solid contender for someone wanting to step into the world of drones without needing advanced piloting skills right away.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.